Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm recording on the new iPhone Air, which is amazing. And I'm going to give away one iPhone Air tonight. I'm going to pick the winner. And in the end of the video, I'm going to pick the winner of $200 for whoever supported my my YouTube unsuspension post, which hasn't been unsuspended yet for the 5 language channels, but we'll work on it. We'll jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. I'm using the iPhone Air and it's amazing. And I'm going to give away an iPhone. I'm going to pick the winner tonight or tomorrow in the next video. So make sure you jump onto that post that's on my X and do those tasks for the iPhone Air. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. It's very nice, the iPhone Air, by the way, very thin like a feather. The market pulled back again, 920 down to 888, back to 906, and then back to 877. The market again dropping. You can see my buys were at 4,200 on Ethereum. We pumped to 4,700, pulled back 4,400 to 4,600, then again pulling back. The market pulled back. Ethereum trade still 4,900 in profits. The Bitcoin trade $21,000 in profits. Bitcoin went to 117,800, and then the last day just pulled back completely. 1,700 and then just pulling back. We're going to jump into the technicals. My trades are still up, but account pulling back quite a bit. Let's go into the technicals. Tesla was up 2%, which is amazing. Tesla up a lot since we've been buying it. Now it's up. Tesla is up 36% since we were buying it on August 4th. The rest of the market, Google was up 1%. Google is now up 31% since we were buying it on August 6th, which is amazing. Let's go into Bitcoin, 115,400 on the weekly charts. It's still climbing, higher highs, higher lows, which is good to see. Crypto Guru bot is still a blue buy, which it fired back at 23k. Bitcoin indicator bot is fired a sell 5 weeks ago, didn't fire a buy yet. The stochastic on the weekly is oversold, turning up. On the daily, looks like foaming head and shoulders. Who sees it? Shoulder, head, shoulder. Not beautiful. All that good news and Bitcoin barely moved. All these billionaires buying Bitcoin, all these treasuries, something's bullshit. Because how are all these treasuries and billionaires and everything buying Bitcoin and it's not even moving? On the daily, we have a clear double top on the stochastic. And squeeze mob turning grey. Clear double top. Rising wedge looks like it's playing out. So we've got 2 patterns here. Shit. We've got head and shoulder and rising wedge forming on the daily. On the weekly, still higher highs, higher lows. Volume a little bit dropping. On the 4-hourly, rising wedge. We were at about 1 day ago, we were at 117,900, now 115. We're at the 200 moving average. I'm not seeing a major pattern on the 4-hourly. It's a little bit on the hourly. Looks like a little bit rising wedge. But you could also say that's kind of like a little bit inverse head and shoulders on the hourly. I'm not going to close it. I'm not seeing any major breaking down pattern. Let's look at Ethereum to get a better picture. We had a V-shaped recovery and then it just kind of slowed down. Ethereum 4,400, we're at 4,700, pulled back. On the weekly, we already broke out of this huge pattern. Target is 7,800. And then if we go closer, the stochastic on the daily is mid-range heading down. Huge drop yesterday. Yesterday was a large drop. We went from 4,600 to 4,400. Not so big, but here you can see we've got a symmetrical triangle and a bullish pennant. So I'm not going to close this trade. Looks like a bullish pennant. Paul builds pressure and breaks out. Target would be the base of 4,600. It's about to activate my trade at 4,392. Stop loss 4,250 and take profit will be 7,800. Risk reward 24 times. Let's look at total market cap if it's telling us anything. On the weekly, Huge rising wedge. But I think it could break to the upside. Stochastic is heading up. On the monthly, the resistance line you can see here, it's at 5 trillion should be the target. On the weekly, we're still heading up. This week, we just no movement almost, like pumped and then it dropped again on the weekly. Yesterday, we had a drop from 4.406 trillion down to 3.95, so almost a huge drop actually. That's like $100 billion move. On the daily, we're overbought, double stochastic. On the 4-hourly, we're oversold. I'm not seeing any major pattern. Let me try and draw. We have something here. A little bit of a rising wedge on the total market cap. Builds pressure, can break down to the main trend line. Could get a little bit of a drop on the weekend. Okay, Ethereum. Let's look at pump, pull back. World, the altcoins got hammered yesterday. We had that initial pump on pump, 240%, and then it's pulled back already a lot from that high. The high was 0.0089 and now it's 0.007. Huge pullback already. It's coming to the support at 0.0068. Okay, let's look at World. 1.5 also pushed out and then massive pullback on World. 164%. We had like a mini old season to $2.20 and then pull back to $1.50. Looks like a bull flag on World. Let's look at Ton isn't moving either much. Altcoin stagnating. On the daily, the weekly, massive symmetrical triangle target is $5.30, but it got a bit of it slowed down after that pump, which is weird. I'm still in my trades, but again, we got a big pullback yesterday. My trades were much more in the profits. We got a huge pullback from 117 to 115. Now we're on the support. Let's see if we can get a bounce, but not looking so beautiful. Join us in the Telegram. 200 in the Telegram. There's 203 people online sharing charts, discussing. You can join them inside that Telegram. All the links are under the video down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus. WeX $200 sign up bonus. KYC free worldwide exchange. The courses, and join us in the Telegram. And you can see some gains from the students. And I'm going to pick the iPhone Air winner tomorrow. But see, look, my views, weird. I keep getting shadow banned on X and YouTube. Talking about crypto and Bitcoin has been very difficult the last 10 years. Constantly getting banned by PayPal, YouTube, X, Twitter, all of them pretending to back crypto. They were all banning it before. So go with crypto first companies. 1 day left for the iPhone Air giveaway. I'm going to pick it in the next video. Thanks to my epic bet trades on Bybit. So far I'm loving mine. Just got it today. Super thin and it feels like it's a feather. It's really light. Amazing phone. I'm going to pick the winner in the next video for that iPhone Air. And now I'm going to pick the winner for $200 for my YouTube unsuspension. However, they didn't actually unsuspend it yet, which sucks. Yesterday, our trades were pumping a lot more. 1 day ago, Bitcoin was at 117, Ethereum 4,600, and it's pulling back. And here is the $200 giveaway. I'm going to pick the winner now for $200. Where is it? Here. They didn't unban my channels yet, so please keep supporting it. 334 people posted on it, and YouTube didn't fix it yet, unfortunately. Now I'm going to pick the winner for $200 for everyone who supported. Please tag YouTube to get whoever who repost tags YouTube creators from the comments from $200 in my video in 1 week. It's been 1 week. Let's pick the winner. We had 334 comments. A lot of people trying to get this channel unsuspended. Thank you so much, everyone. Amazing. Help James unblock his channel. He did nothing wrong. Remove all restrictions from James. He hasn't violated his video. Helped many people and he's a good person. Thank you very much, John. Remove all restrictions. Peace Ambassador. A daily reminder. Please help fix James' channel. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to scroll now to the bottom, load all of them. Then I'm going to pick the winner. Random scroll. Okay, you guys are ready? Thank you, everyone who supported and tagged YouTube. And wow, look how many comments. Wow, thank you all so much. Can't believe YouTube ignored it and still hasn't fixed these channels. Okay, ready? I'm gonna load all the comments and then I'm gonna pick winner, randomly scrolling. Ready? We've got 334 comments. Ready? 1, 2, and the winner is... Sorry to hear this, Mr. James. It's a very unfair decision. You're a true edit creator. You're a mentor. We request YouTube, and congratulations. You win $200 for supporting. Thank you for tagging YouTube and YouTube creators. Hopefully we can get this channel back. So far, not yet. And don't forget, come and support. There's another post to win that iPhone Air. I'm going to pick the winner in the next video for the iPhone Air. And I'm recording this on iPhone Air, really good. Let's see if Bitcoin... Yesterday my video, 1 of 10, 3,900 views. Let's read some of your comments. First to be here, thank you very much, Movie Script. Good morning, Guru. Thank you. Have a beautiful day, you too. The turning is just around the corner. Look perfect. You're an amazing trader. Thank you very much. Thank you, my friend. Let's go. I hope I win your giveaways. Thank you. Thank you. James, have you even start your own media? I'm not sure. Love the beard. Almost full grown. Yes, it is. Thank you, everyone. That's my updates in the market. All the links are down below. Let's see if YouTube finally does unsuspend those voiceover channels. And I'm going to pick the winner for the iPhone Air in the next video. And look at the camera quality on the Air. It's amazing. It's very thin. It's like light like a feather. I'm loving this phone. Very fast. The battery life is long. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. If you have, turn on the bell. If you have any questions, oh cool, you can do like that. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment section down below. If you make money from me, push messages of peace and anti-war and protect the nature and the trees. We've been trading now 6 years, so many different tokens and projects. Right now I'm in Tesla, Google, Nvidia mainly, Bitcoin, Uni, Ton, Ethereum, some altcoins. Seed invested a lot of them, and right now the market is a little bit toppy. We've got a lot of good news and it isn't pumping that much, which is showing me that we're quite high and near the top. So taking profits and protecting capital is very smart up here. Even Google and Tesla up 30% in 1 month since we bought it, but I let my runners run, so I'm not going to stop them there. But the crypto market is quite overheated. That's my updates. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Congratulations to the winner of the $200, and I'm going to pick the winner for the iPhone Air, which is an amazing phone, in the next video. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.